Hey, what's up guys? In this video we will be recreating the title design of Stranger Things movie. So let's get started. Okay, so first of all open Photoshop and create new document. Size is 1920 by 1080 and the resolution is 72 pixels per inch. Make sure the color is black and then click on create. First of all select the type tool, change its color to red so that we can clearly see what we are typing. Click anywhere on the canvas and type something. Now click on this icon to confirm it. Pick the move tool and align the text into the center. Now open transform tool by pressing Ctrl T and stretch the text just like this. Hit enter. Now pick the rectangle tool and make a rectangle just like this. Now let's open property panel. By the way, if you are not able to see it, go to Windows and then make sure this option is checked. Increase its roundness from here. Now hold Alt or Option key on your keyboard and drag it down. It will duplicate the layer. Press Ctrl T to open transform tool and stretch it down just like this. Duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl J and move it to the right. Now select all of these layers and group them together by pressing Ctrl G. Also rename it text. Now right click on the layer and choose blending option. First of all drop down its fill to 0% and then click on stroke. Size is 2, position is outside and the color is red. Now hit OK. Now for the glow we need to convert these layers to a smart object. So select these two layers, convert them into a smart object. Now for the glow let's duplicate the layer and rename it glow_01. Change its blend mode to linear dodge aid. Now go to filter, blur and choose Gaussian blur. Blur it about 10 pixels and then hit OK. Duplicate it again by pressing Ctrl J. Rename it glow_02. Double click on the Gaussian blur, this time the radius is 40 and then hit OK. Duplicate it once again by pressing Ctrl J. Rename it. Double click on the Gaussian blur and change its value to 100 and then hit OK. Now to make it a little brighter, let's create new curves adjustment layer and adjust the curves just like this. Now let's create another curves adjustment layer, this time make it a little bit more brighter. Now select its layer mask and press Ctrl I to invert it. Pick the brush tool and make sure your foreground color is white and then dab on this area. It will make this area brighter, which is looking nice. So that's it. Now it is done. You can also change the text. Just double click on this layer, it will open a new document and here you can edit the text. You can also use your logo if you want to. When you are done, close the document and save it. Photoshop will update everything for you. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. Hit the like button if you like this video. Subscribe to the channel, also ring the bell icon so you will get notified whenever I post a new video. I'll be catching you in my next one. Till then, peace.